Namaskar. This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session, today we shall discuss about permutation. And as you know that since last two lectures, we are discussing about numerical aspect of permutation. And I hope that you are solving the numericals and you are running on the right track toward your exercise with the help of the numericals we are discussing with you. In the meanwhile, I would like to add one thing more for you, that if you learn this numerical of permutation, it will be helping you in your probability. It will be helping you in the other aspect of study of engineering. So let us come on the point and see here. This is the numerical we have to discuss. I hope you have already written these two numericals. The first is how many numbers are there between 99 to 1000 having 7 in units place. So to get, firstly write down these two numericals. In previous class we have also just given you these two numericals, and I have given you words that in the next class I shall be solving that. So today I am going to solve these numericals, and I request you that kindly learn how we are getting solution of numerical 1 and then solution of numerical 2. So first question is how many numbers are there between 99 and 1000 having 7 in the unit place. Unit place, suppose you are writing 121. I am just giving you example. You write somewhere in rough. If you are writing 121, then let us see from right hand side. 1 is at unit place, 2 is at tens place, and again 1 is at 100 place. So here 1 is what? 1 is at unit place, 2 is on tens place, and again 1 is at 100 place. So again you are writing, suppose you are writing 945. 945. Then see here 5 is on unit place. See from right hand side. 4 is on tens place. Again 9 is on hundreds place. So here you see how many numbers are there between 99 to 1000. Then 99, this is 2-digit words, and 1000, this is 3-digit words. And you have to see having 7 at unit place. So after 99, you can see that 107 is containing a digit that contains 7 at unit place. Then 127 and so on. At last you see 997. This is containing 7 at unit place. So how to get solution of numerical example? First note that all these numbers have 3 digits. I have already told you 7 is in the units place, right? Okay, till this point it is okay. Then the middle digit can be any one of tens to digit 10 digit from 0 to 9. Okay, the digit in hundreds place can be any one of 9 digit from 1 to 9. Therefore, the fundamental principle of counting, there are 10 into 9 numbers between 99 to 1000 in 7 in the unit place. This is the answer. There are 90 numbers between 99 to 1000. Again, the total number of 3 digits, the total number of 3 digit numbers having at least one of their digit is as total number of 3 digits minus total number of 3 digit in which there does not appear at all. So this will be 9 into 10 into 1 minus 8 into 9 into 9. So this will be 900 minus 648 is equal to 252. Means the answer of this question is that how many numbers are there between 99 to 1000 having at least one of their digit 7 is, this is 252. Students, I hope that you have understand this numerical. I suggest you that kindly you can take a screenshot of this material and you will start thinking, you can say exercising on that. In case you have any confusion during live session, you can discuss with me again. I shall be meeting out your doubt at that moment. Also, you know that you have freedom to write your comment in the inbox during watching this session through digital mode. At that moment, we also note down your query and we sort out whenever we interact with you. And one question you should write here again. This is very simple question I would like to share with you. In how many ways 5 children be arranged in a line? Let us write. In how many ways 5 children, in how many ways 5 children be arranged in a line such that in one, right, 2 particular children of them are always together, 2 particular children of them are never together. In how many ways can 5 children be arranged? In how many ways can 5 children be arranged in a line such that 2 particular children of them are always together and next is 2 particular children of them are never together? Student, I suggest you that for, you can say, the basics of permutation, you should visit to the link of library that is on your My Academic profile, as well as you should see the NCERT book of class 11th in which the details of the concept of permutation as well as the things you are saying here are present, available. Thank you very much for enjoying this lecture. Students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you very much for enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot.